Once again, I have 5 million, 6 million, 8 million, 9 million, 11 million. So this is the fastest way that we can make money with the Lua Executor. Asalam-u-alikum. Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you how you can get unlimited money with Lua Executor. I have Eulen Lua Executer, and I just spawn lots of math and money. Not money, lots of math, but we can spawn also math and many more things. These all are working, and now I'm going to get some math, and after that we'll sell it and then buy a new car or give money to someone. Okay, so here's the math pickup. I already full my inventory. I can't sell drug here, but I got opium. We're gonna find something somewhere where we can sell all these things and get money, and I think I need more opium, and I'm going to make packs for opium. Just check my inventory. Okay, so I have 51 meth and opium pack 64, and now we have to go to drug dealer. Where is drug dealer? I think here is, yeah, here it is. Okay, so finally I got the dealer, and now I'm going to sell all the meth and the opium packs. Meth price is too much, and I have lots of meth. Okay, so I just found another trigger server event, and it's admin give bank. Okay, so I'm gonna make it 5 million, sorry, 5 lakh. Run. See, I got the money, and now I'm going to make it I have 2 million. So once again I have 3 million. Once again I have 5 million, 6 million, 8 million, 9 million, 11 million. So this is the fastest way that we can make money with the Lua Executor. So if you have any question about it, just comment or come to my Discord. I'm mostly online, and I think we have found also give cash. Let's try it. Yeah, it's also working. That's good. And then it's also working with the black money. Yeah, it's also working. That's really good. This is today's video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, like this video, and share it. Allah Hafiz.